Did you know that over 80% of brands use affiliate marketing to drive sales? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start your affiliate marketing journey today, with zero experience and zero followers. Affiliate marketing is simply promoting another company's product and earning a commission for every sale you make. Think of yourself as the middleman. You don't handle customer service. You don't ship products. You just refer customers. Step 1 is picking your niche. This is the topic you'll create content around. Don't pick everything. Pick something you are passionate about, like fitness, tech gadgets, or pet supplies. The more specific you are, the easier it is to build trust. To succeed, you need 3 things. 1. An audience to where you post content. 2. An offer or solution. 3. The right traffic of people visiting your links. Today, we are focusing on the structure. Later videos in this series will teach you how to master each of these legs. Most programs pay between 5% and 30% per sale. Some pay recurring commissions, meaning you get paid every month as long as the customer stays subscribed. That is how you build passive income. Your action item for today. Open a Google Doc and write down 3 hobbies or interests you have. Choose the one you can talk about for hours. That is your niche. Enjoyed this? Smash like, subscribe, and ring the bell for weekly affiliate wins.